Today we'll go ahead with the problems of probability. Intersection is 0 because once he chooses IAM, he cannot go to XLRI. So in 52 playing cards, half of them are red, another half of them are this. One card is drawn. What is the probability that it is a face card? Same, 4 out of 52. P of B dash. P of B dash is 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of probability. So now 3 or 4 more questions. The probability that a MBA aspirant will get or will join IIM is 2 by 5 and he will join XLRI is 1 by 3. Find the probability that he will join IIM or XLRI. He will join neither IIM or nor XLRI. So first define the events. Event A, he joins IIM. Event B, he joins XLRI. So now given, what is given? P of A, probability that he will join IIM is 2 by 5. P of B is 1 by 3. This is given. That's all is given. Now they want first one. Find the probability that he will join IIM or XLRI. So they want P of A union B. P of A union B, or of P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. See, P of A they gave. What is P of A? 2 by 5. What is P of B? P of B also they gave 1 by 3. Intersection is 0 because once he chooses IIM, he cannot go to XLRI. So he cannot join both. This is both. He cannot join at a time both. So it is 0. So now 1 by 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. 3 is a 15 is the LCM. 3 2 is a 6 plus 5. 11 by 15. So therefore, probability is for question A, probability is 11 by 15. Probability that he will join IIM or XLMRI is this. R means what? Union. So we have defined events. What is event A? He will choose IIM or he will join IIM. Event B, he will join XLRI. So they want P of A or B. P of A or B means what? P of A union B. What is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute it, you will get the required value. Again, same question. The probability they gave. Find he will join neither IIM nor XLRI. He will join neither IIM nor XLRI. So now again same. P of A is 2 by 5. P of B joining XLRI is 1 by 3. Neither nor they give. Means they want P of A union B whole dash. All of P of A union B whole dash is 1 minus P of A union B. And P of A union B in last case we got it. What is that? 11 by 15. So 1 minus 11 by 15. If you take LCM, it is 15. 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 gives you 4 by 15. The probability of you'll join neither MBA nor XLRI. One card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is neither ace nor king. And queen, given that card is red. Card is either black or jack. It is face card. So 4 different questions are there. So they are drawing one card. Total number of ways of drawing one card is 52C1. So card is neither ace nor king. Should not be ace nor king. So event A, getting a king or drawing a king. Event B, drawing an ace, getting an ace. P of A probability of getting king is 4 out of 52. We'll have 4 kings. Probability of getting an ace is also 4 out of 52. So they want neither nor. Neither nor. So P of A union B whole dash they want. This can be written as 1 minus P of A union B. This can be written as 1 minus P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now 1 minus, what is probability of A? 4 out of 52. Probability of B, 4 out of 52. Common. So king and ace, so this is 0. So 1 by 13 plus 1 by 13. That is P of A union B, the whole dash is 1 minus 2 by 13. That is 13 ones are 13, 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2 is 11 by 13. Next, queen, the card is red. See, event A, here one card is drawn from pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that probability that the card is queen, given that card is red. Given that card is red. So now first we'll define event A, getting a queen or drawing a queen. Event B, getting a red card or drawing or getting whatever. Drawing is better. So drawing a event A, drawing a queen. Event B, drawing a red card. So they want P of A by B. This is a question. So now what is P of A? P of A means getting a queen. Out of 52 cards, so 4 queens will be there. Probability is 4 out of 52. And what is P of B? P of B means what? Drawing a red card. You know, there will be 26 red cards out of 52. In 52 playing cards, half of them are red, another half of them are this. And P of A intersection B. A intersection means what? Both. It should be red and queen. We'll have 2 red queens and 2 black queens. So 2 out of 52. So now they want P of A by B. All of you know what is P of A by B. What is P of A by B? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So what is P of A intersection B? 2 by 52. What is P of B? 26 by 52. 52 cancels, 2 by 26. 2 by 26 is 1 by 13. So therefore, for answer for this is what? 1 by 13. Now all of you understood this. Probability of A given B a card means probability of getting a queen given that the card is red card. One card is drawn from 52 cards. Find the probability the card is either black or jack. Either black or a jack. So event A, drawing a black card. Drawing a black card. Event B, drawing a jack. So you know P of A, probability of getting a black card is 26 out of 52. I know, I told you, probability means what? Favorable by total. Out of 52 playing cards, 26 will be red and 26 will be black. So 26 will be black. So if you want to draw a black card, so you have to take from this 26. So 26 favorable out of 52. So that is, it is divisible 1 by 2. P of A you got. Probability of getting a black card. Similarly, P of B, drawing a jack. So drawing a jack, we'll have 4 jacks out of 52. 4 out of 52. We are drawing 1 card. So now they want what is the probability that A or B. So intersection. Intersection means both. It should be a jack and black card. So 2 out of 52. 2 jacks will be there. 2 black colored jacks will be there. So intersection means what? Both. Means it should be jack and it should be black card. So 2 out of 52. They want P of A union B. Means the question is card is either black or jack. Either or means what? Union. So what is P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. What is P of A? So now P of A, what is probability of A? 1 by 2. Probability of B, P of B, 4 by 52. Intersection 2 by 52. So here it is better we would have written this as 26 by 52 only. So that LCM 1 by 2 badlige 26 by 52 only I'll write. 26 by 52, 4 by 52 minus 2 by 52. What is the LCM? LCM is 52. So 26 plus 4 minus 2. So it will become 30. 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28 by 52. Both are divisible. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 twos are 2 six are or 2 sevens are 2 13s are 7 by 13. So answer is what for this? Sorry. Answer for this is 7 by 13. So next, it is a face card. One card is drawn. What is the probability that it is a face card? Same, 4 out of 52. Then a couple appears in an interview for 2 vacancies. The probability that husband is selected is 7 by 2 and the probability that wife is selected is 1 by 5. What is the probability that both of them selected? So event A, husband selected. Event B, wife selected. Husband is selected. Wife is selected. They give P of A. What is P of A? 1 by 7. They also give P of B. What is P of B? 1 by 5. Since it is independent, P of A intersection B can be written as P of A into P of B. So that is 1 by 7 into 1 by 5. 1 by 35. Here analyzing husband getting selected, wife getting selected, these two are independent events. For independent events, P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. If two events are independent, then P of A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B. Intersection means both get selected. Then only one of them is selected. Only one of them is selected means A selected and B not selected. Or B selected and A not selected means husband selected, wife not selected, wife selected. See, P of A is given 1 by 7, P of B dash. See, listen, P of B dash we need. So first I'll write what is P of A. A means what? Husband is selected. B is wife is selected. Husband is selected, they give 1 by 7. P of A dash means, all of you know, P of A dash is 1 minus P of A. That is 1 minus 1 by 7. That is 7 minus 1, 6 by 7. P of B, probability of B is what? 1 by 5. P of B dash is 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. Substitute 1 by 7 into B dash 4 by 5 plus P of B is what? 1 by 5 into P of A dash. P of A dash is 6 by 7. Simplify, it will become 4 by 35 plus 6 by 35. That will become 10 by 35. That will become 2 by 7. So answer is what? 2 by 7. So here none of them is selected. None of them is selected means probability of A not selected and B not selected. I can write P of A union B the whole dash. I can write 1 minus P of A union B. That is 1 minus P of A plus P of B. That is 1 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5. That is 1 minus 1 by 35. That is 35 minus 1 by 35. That is 34 by 35. So both are not selected. Only wife is selected. Only wife is selected means P of A dash and B. Husband not selected, wife selected. P of A dash into P of B. What is P of A dash? P of A dash we calculated, or again P of A dash. P of A dash is 1 minus P of A, 1 minus 1 by 7 into wife selected is what? 1 by 7 minus 6 by 7 into 1 by 5, 6 by 35. So I hope all of you understood the problems. Probability, sometimes it will be condition, sometimes it will be independent. Depending on what is given, define the events and solve the problems. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.